Hey there, fellow commuters and road enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a topic that might seem mundane, but has some fascinating implications. You might have heard that Pope's Head Road will be closed for a few days in mid-August due to water main work. Now, this may not sound like the most exciting news, but trust me, there's more to it than meets the eye. First, let's set the scene. Pope's Head Road, a vital artery in Fairfax County, will be temporarily shut down at the intersection with Fairfax County Parkway. This closure is part of a larger interchange project, which aims to improve traffic flow and connectivity in the area. What makes this really interesting is the timing. The closure is scheduled from August 11th to 15th, right in the middle of the work week. Now, I know what you're thinking, why not do this over a weekend? Well, my friends, there's a method to this madness. The Virginia Department of Transportation has strategically chosen these dates to minimize disruption. By starting on a Tuesday morning and ending on a Saturday afternoon, they're giving commuters a chance to adapt and plan their routes. It's a clever approach, ensuring that the impact on daily commutes is relatively short-lived. Personally, I appreciate this consideration, as it shows a deeper understanding of the community's needs. Now, let's talk about the detour plans. The provided routes are quite intricate, catering to various travel directions. For instance, drivers heading east on Pope's Head Road will take a detour via Route 123 and Braddock Road to reach Fairfax County Parkway. This detour is like a mini road trip within the county. What many people don't realize is that these detours can offer a unique perspective of the area. You might discover hidden gems or scenic routes you never knew existed. But here's the thing, these detours also highlight the complexity of our road networks. They remind us that even a temporary closure can significantly impact travel patterns. It's a delicate balance between maintaining infrastructure and ensuring smooth traffic flow. This raises a deeper question. How do we plan and execute such projects without causing major disruptions? The Fairfax County Parkway and Pope's Head Road interchange project is more than just a road closure. It's part of a broader vision. The project includes building a new segment of Shirley Gate Road, providing access to the future Patriot Park. This park, folks, is going to be a game changer for the community. It will offer recreational spaces, potentially boosting the area's appeal and property values. In my opinion, this is a great example of infrastructure development with a long-term vision. Additionally, the project incorporates shared-use paths and sidewalks, promoting pedestrian and cyclist safety. This is a crucial aspect often overlooked in road projects. By prioritizing non-motorized transportation, the county is fostering a healthier and more sustainable environment. It's a win-win situation. In conclusion, the upcoming Pope's Head Road closure is a small part of a much larger transformation. It's a reminder that our roads are living, breathing entities, constantly evolving to meet our needs. So, the next time you encounter a road closure, remember that it's not just about the inconvenience, it's about the bigger picture. Stay curious, stay informed, and keep exploring the ever-changing world of transportation.